Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first unboxing video and I am going to unbox this Boat Bassheads 100. The box looks like this from the front and you get the specs at the back. The printed price is 999 but I got it for rupees 390 from Amazon. I will leave the links back in the description. So let's begin with the unboxing. So on opening the box, we can see we have been given two pairs of extra earbuds, a warranty card, though it appears to be microscopic. Next, we have the advertisements of the other Bose products. So let's come to the headphone. They have got this Hawkeye inspired design and I ordered the red color because I thought it would look cool. They also give you this strap which comes in very useful when you are traveling with the headphone, so you can keep it assembled and it does not turn messy. I have already tested out the earphones and the speakers are quite decent according to its price. Now time to test out the microphone. I am going to plug in the 3.5mm jack to the phone. Now the voice which you are hearing is from the earphone microphone itself. To me it sounded fairly well according to its price. Let me know in the comments how you like it. In the end, my views are these are pretty nice headphones for their price. You can buy them if you have a budget around 400 rupees. That's it for the video. Please like and share it as much as you can and do subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot.